I'll be showing you another wristlet from Coach. It's a small double zip wristlet in khaki waterfall, and the hardwares are in silver. This is like sky blue, light blue. It comes with this hang tag and this leather strap for the wrist. It has two zip compartments. One compartment has two card slots, and the other one is just plain. The dimensions: length is 6.24 inches. Height is around 3.7, around 4 inches for the height, and the width is approximately 1.25 inches. This color is very cute. I like their combination when they have this khaki and another color. Makes it more alive. So it comes with this tag and this care card. The material is the signature PVC material. Thank you for watching. Kindly share and subscribe if you find our video helpful. Bye!